The College of Law has been working with Kyiv-Mohyla Academy Faculty of Law on a great peer-to-peer writing program where our students work with students at Kyiv-Mohyla Academy on English language writing projects and helping those students learn how to write for an English language audience. And you created the program, and I'd love to hear you talk about why you created it and what your goals are for it.
We hit upon this idea of a peer-to-peer legal English writing workshop where we paired a U.S. law student with a Ukrainian law student. And our goals were really to have something that was concrete, that was discrete, that was structured, and that was impactful. It's impactful for the students in Ukraine simply to interact with peers outside of Ukraine. I think it's also quite impactful for the U.S. students, gaining some familiarity with how a civil code system works, gaining the opportunity to learn how legal education is conducted in Ukraine. So I'm really grateful to everyone who's been involved in this project.
So I think one of the added benefits of this program has been that it's a very small thing, but meaningful thing that the College of Law can do in the aftermath of Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the horrible problems that has caused. And it's also, I think, been a real benefit for our students to see that they can really make a difference. So let's hear from one of our students about the program.
I became involved in the program back in fall 2023 in the pilot semester, and I am very grateful to have had the opportunity to work with the students and the faculty in this program. It was ironic because I felt like I actually ended up learning a lot more because there was a lot of exchange going on, and we learned a lot about each other's culture, law, and writing from each other. And I've created lasting friendships from this program.
What was sort of the most memorable thing that happened during the course of the workshops for you?
Not only just learning about the Ukrainian culture and student lifestyle, but also just the organic conversations I would have with my students and learning that I was part of something bigger and I felt like I was making a genuine impact on someone else's life. I felt like we were kind of mentoring each other in different ways because I was kind of viewing the world through a different lens.
Did you have a sense that your students were looking forward to the weekly calls on the writing assignments and the conversations?
I always made sure that I made myself available because it meant so much to me, and my students would always have really come prepared and have really, really good questions, and they even would go online and research different resources and share them with me, and I would kind of provide the resources I had. At the end, after the 6 weeks, it was always rewarding to see this final product that we spent so much time working on, and you could just see how much effort that my students put in and just how hardworking and thoughtful they are.
So you're graduating, congratulations, but if you weren't, would you do it again?
I would, in a heartbeat.
Thank you.
Thank you.